Hey guys, so I had this problem with my tablet that it didn't want to recognize any OTG or any attachments from the USB port. So I took my little adapter, this one, this one, and I took a pair of pliers and I literally just pinched the end of it, just a little bit. So now when I connect it to the tablet, let me just refocus. Yeah, like that. I insert the flash drive and it says USB storage added. So, problem fixed. Open it. And there are my files. Internal storage and USB storage 1. So as a last resort, you can try this. Just be very careful. Just with a pair of pliers. A little bit, not much.